Hi guys, it's me Mixie. For today's video, we will mix Sammy Brown water-based paint. Sammy Brown is a natural neutral color. It's the color of earth and wood, and when used with green, it evokes growth and nurturing. If you are new to our channel, please do click the subscribe button to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter Sammy Brown water-based paint mix. We prepare 50% ratio of aqua glossy choco brown. Let's start by pouring acrylic color, raw sienna. Let's also add acrylic color black. Also drop small amount of acrylic color phthalo blue. Stir the paint very well. Okay, let's compare to our client sample. We are more reddish brown. Let's add more acrylic color, phthalo blue, and raw sienna. We add more chocolate brown. First, then let's adjust to reduce the reddish brown shade. Okay, let's compare it again. We are a little more darker. Let's add more acrylic color phthalo blue and black. Also add more acrylic color raw sienna. It's almost the same. We just have to put little more raw sienna to be more lighter. Yes, it's Sammy brown color already. Mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.